How to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on My Orders, View All. Then you'll find your order in here. Simply click on your order. After you've clicked on your order, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on the three dots at the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll find all these options. Simply click on Cancel. After you've clicked on Cancel in here, choose the preferred reason why you want to cancel the order and then press on Confirm at the bottom. After you confirm it, it will be refunded if you have paid and the order will be cancelled. This is how to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.